What if I told you that ignoring a simple kitchen ingredient could be jeopardizing your health as you age? Yes, neglecting the power of baking soda might be leading to unnecessary discomfort and declining vitality. Don't risk missing out on vital knowledge that could transform your well-being. Hit that like button and subscribe now to stay informed about how to reclaim your health with this everyday powerhouse. One of the most potent yet overlooked tools for enhancing male health, especially after the age of 60, is likely sitting quietly in your pantry right now. While commonly used for household tasks, baking soda is an unsung hero that can significantly alleviate joint pain, rejuvenate sexual health, ease prostate pressure, and promote overall comfort, all for just pennies a day. As someone with over 3 decades of experience assisting men in restoring their vitality and confidence, it is clear that the right chemistry can unlock your body's innate potential. The transformative benefits of baking soda can address 7 prevalent concerns faced by men over 60, particularly those linked to sexual wellness, energy levels, and inflammation. Let's delve into how you can leverage this simple ingredient to support everything from stronger erections to the relief of prostate discomfort. Let's begin with a commonly overlooked yet distressing issue many men encounter as they age: persistent itchiness and irritation in the groin area. This discomfort might feel like an unavoidable aspect of growing older, but the truth is, a natural solution is at your fingertips. By incorporating baking soda into your bathing routine, you can experience significant relief. Countless men over 60 suffer from dry, itchy skin, particularly in sensitive areas. One patient, Richard, epitomized this struggle. His discomfort was so severe that it impacted not only his sleep, but also his intimacy with his wife. He, like many others, had tried various creams and powders without success. Fortunately, a simple remedy can provide the relief he and many others so desperately need. A baking soda bath can soothe itchy skin effectively. When half a cup of baking soda is added to a warm bath, the results can be transformative. This practice works by neutralizing the skin's acidity and reducing inflammation, making it ideal for aging skin, which often becomes more sensitive. Soaking in this solution doesn't just relieve physical discomfort. It promotes a deeper sense of peace and self-respect, showing that caring for your body is a priority. The results speak for themselves. After just 2 baths, Richard reported significant improvements in sleep and comfort. The beauty of this remedy lies in its simplicity and effectiveness, reinforcing the notion that one does not need a cluttered cabinet of products to achieve relief and comfort. Additionally, while baking soda works wonders on the surface, it can also address internal issues that many men face as they age, specifically digestion. The feeling of heaviness in the stomach and discomfort after meals can become all too familiar. Thankfully, this versatile remedy not only alleviates discomfort, but also promotes better nutrient absorption, enhancing overall vitality. For instance, Carl, a 72-year-old former coach, expressed his frustration over his inability to enjoy food due to severe heartburn and discomfort. This situation is common among men as they age, as the digestive system becomes less efficient and more sensitive to various foods. However, there is an effective and natural remedy that can help. Dissolving just half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water provides quick relief from that burning sensation and bloating by neutralizing excess stomach acid. The rapid effectiveness of this simple solution allows men like Carl to regain their enjoyment of food without the fear of discomfort afterward. This remedy is not only effective, but also free from the harmful additives often found in commercial antacids. With a little baking soda, men can reclaim their love for dining without the anxiety that comes with it. Plus, the affordability of this solution ensures that everyone can enjoy delicious meals without the burden of discomfort, making baking soda a vital ally in enhancing your culinary experience. But the benefits of baking soda extend far beyond digestion. They also reach the often neglected area of foot health. Many men suffer in silence from sore, smelly, and uncomfortable feet, a consequence of years of wear and tear. With just a simple soak using baking soda, you can rejuvenate tired feet, reduce odor, and promote overall foot health, giving you the confidence to step out with pride. Take Dennis, a 74-year-old retired firefighter who faced constant frustration due to foot pain and odor. As aging progresses, skin becomes thinner and circulation slows, leading to discomfort many men shy away from discussing. Here, baking soda can serve as a powerful ally. A simple foot soak with warm water and baking soda can do wonders. This natural remedy not only neutralizes odor and soothes inflammation, but also promotes overall foot health. By regularly soaking his feet, Dennis experienced remarkable improvements, reclaiming both comfort and dignity. The effects of caring for one's feet extend beyond mere comfort. They can positively impact balance and mobility, allowing men to engage more fully in life. When feet feel good, confidence soars, positively influencing overall well-being and interpersonal connections. Oral health is another critical area where baking soda can make a significant difference, particularly for those who wear dentures or suffer from oral discomfort. The ability to eat, speak, and smile confidently is paramount for dignity in aging. Plus, incorporating baking soda into your oral care routine can help combat bad breath, providing an added boost of freshness that enhances your social interactions and overall quality of life. Walter, a 79-year-old man who recently began using dentures, conveyed his struggles with maintaining cleanliness and comfort. The emotional toll of oral discomfort is profound, but a simple baking soda solution can restore normalcy. By incorporating this natural remedy into his routine, Walter not only improved his oral hygiene but also regained the confidence to enjoy meals without worry. By soaking dentures in a mixture of baking soda and water, users can effectively cleanse their devices without harsh chemicals, preserving oral health and comfort. After implementing this easy rinse, Walter felt rejuvenated, restoring not just his oral hygiene but his confidence in social settings. Furthermore, the soothing properties of baking soda can extend to managing gout flare-ups, an ailment that can strike suddenly and unbearably. Harold, a 66-year-old retired plumber, faced debilitating pain as a result of gout. He discovered that a simple baking soda remedy not only alleviated his discomfort, but also empowered him to enjoy life again, reclaiming the activities he once loved. Don't let gout dictate your life. Explore this natural solution and experience the relief you deserve. While traditional medications are often necessary, there are natural ways to alleviate discomfort. Baking soda stands out for its ability to shift the body's internal chemistry and create a less acidic environment, potentially reducing uric acid buildup. With just half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, Harold found relief from the intense pain of gout, enabling him to regain a sense of normalcy in his life. Baking soda's benefits also encompass urinary discomfort, a prevalent issue that many men hesitate to discuss. The burning sensation during urination can be distressing and impacts daily life significantly. Fortunately, this simple remedy can provide not just relief but also restore confidence, allowing men to reclaim their comfort and enjoy life without the constant worry of urinary pain. Embrace this natural solution and take the first step toward a more carefree and fulfilling existence. George, a 70-year-old man, found himself grappling with this very issue. The impact on mental well-being can be substantial when faced with such discomfort. In cases of mild irritation, a dose of baking soda in water can neutralize acidity and make urination less painful. Despite initial skepticism, George found that the baking soda solution eased his discomfort, allowing him to approach everyday activities with renewed confidence and less anxiety. He discovered that this simple remedy not only alleviated his immediate pain but also empowered him to engage more fully in life, rekindling his passion for hobbies he once set aside. Embracing this natural approach transformed his perspective on aging, reminding him that effective solutions often come from the most unexpected places. Finally, baking soda provides a gentle solution for canker sores, which can cause significant pain and discomfort during daily activities. Alan, a 71-year-old man, struggled with persistent canker sores that made eating and talking a chore. Fortunately, he discovered that swishing a simple baking soda solution in his mouth not only eased the pain but also sped up healing, allowing him to savor meals and engage in conversations, once again truly a game changer. Unlike harsh commercial mouth rinses, a mild baking soda rinse can promote healing and alleviate pain. After implementing this simple remedy, Alan quickly regained comfort in his mouth, enhancing his mood and overall quality of life. This natural solution not only fosters oral health but also empowers men to enjoy their favorite foods and engage confidently in conversations. These small changes, though seemingly minor, can cumulatively transform comfort and well-being. When the body feels better, the mind often follows, leading to improved sleep, confidence, and social interaction. Don't underestimate the impact of simple, natural remedies like baking soda. They can empower you to reclaim your health and vitality, allowing you to fully engage in life's moments and experiences. In conclusion, the power of baking soda is not merely about alleviating discomfort. It's about regaining control and dignity in one's health journey. This humble ingredient can support various aspects of health, ultimately enhancing the overall quality of life for men as they age. The next time you reach for that familiar box of baking soda, recognize its potential to bring comfort, health, and control back into your life. Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of this natural remedy and take the first step towards feeling strong and vibrant again. If any of these insights resonated with you, take a moment to reflect on how small changes can lead to significant improvements in your life, and share this wisdom with others who may benefit from it.